Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart.
With Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
Cause I won't let you.
No doubt.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
Welcome back to another Student versus Teacher.
The fun-filled adventures of us.
Not them.
That's right.
For sure.
So, Wombat.
Yes, my dear.
Rules of engagement.
Oh, here we go.
So, you got to fill your little cup.
My little cup full of joy.
So, I have... Well, that angle will be a bit better.
Okay.
And we're going to do a ring pour.
Yeah.
Then we're going to do a radial.
Yeah.
And then we're going to wreck it.
A ring pour radial wreck it.
Yep. Are you
Or
up?
a wreck it ring pour radial.
Whatever floats your boat.
Yeah, Archimedes' principle does that.
Well, are you ready?
As I will ever be.
I'm going to go that way, so...
Fair enough. Drizzle, drizzle, drizzle.
So, you can see I haven't put much pillow on for a reason.
Yeah, because you put a mountain of paint on.
Yep.
Okay.
I'm going to go for all the colour.
Alright.
Oh, let's get some of that blue out there. Look at that.
Pretty.
Isn't that gorgeous? That's that new custom blue you made me that's got glitter.
It's delightful, isn't it?
Yeah, so... Oh, it's like an ultramarine style blue, isn't it?
Yes. Yes,
And
it
it's
is.
got some blue glitter.
It does got blue glitter in it.
And it also has interference blue in it.
It does.
And it makes it oh so magical.
It does
Alrighty.
make it magical.
That's actually a shame to do this.
Look at it.
Quite cute.
Spicy.
Now, let's just bring it down a bit.
Yep.
That's the joy of these. So, that's what we're going to start with, Wombat.
Fair enough.
Man, I'm loving that blue. I'm really in love with it. You know when something just gets you?
Yeah.
And I think it's because my dad's always been the same. He loves that sort of, he calls it Pepsi blue.
Yeah. He does. He loves that Pepsi blue colour.
Yeah. So I think because I've had it spotted out to me my entire life.
Yeah, he's to blame.
He's definitely to blame for my blue addiction. Yet he's a green man, really.
Yeah, no, go figure.
Yeah.
It says it all, really.
Okay. Just going to pop some of these. I got quite a few bubbles that time.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it's got see the gauge green. And the gauge greens come out right next to that powdery blue you make me. You know, that baby blue with the interference in it?
Yep.
Oh, look, look, look. See it shine? Aren't they gorgeous together?
Lovely.
I had to show that off because that's
It's
really
delightful.
pretty.
It's a shame you're going to destroy it.
Or am I going to make it better?
Well, I guess we'll find out.
Yeah. Either way, I didn't promise to dazzle everyone with brilliance, so what will be, will be. You know, right?
Is that your inspirational quote for the day?
Absolutely.
What will be, will be?
Absolutely.
You know what mine is?
No?
Always look both ways before crossing the road.
Yes. That's actually good advice.
It is good advice.
Now, yeah, I'm going to do it. I've been putting my CA on, my 2 drops of white,
Yeah.
on different angles of the palette knife now.
What now?
Yeah, so I used to put them one there and one straight below, right?
Yeah, like a traffic light.
Now I'm finding this offset on the radials, you actually get better effects
Okay.
with your whites because they're running on, yeah, just the angles there. Yeah, it just works. Alright?
I'll take your word for it.
Okay.
The proof is in the pudding.
I slipped them. That could have been really, really bad.
It could have been. Tell you what, Bubbles, it's exceptionally warm here today.
Yeah, no, I'm loving it. Oh, even actually I did get a sweat up today, so that's when you know it's been done hot.
Let's throw up a screenshot, shall we, of our little temperature gauge here. Woo!
You really feel the heat though, don't you?
I do when it's like
Oh, well,
the seventh sign of hell.
well yeah.
you know.
I must say though, that was even, I think it was the humidity that sort of kicked you today. Like dry heat I can handle.
Yeah.
When it gets that hot. Dry heat I think is a lot more bearable. But humidity...
It's still hot no matter what way you look at it.
Yeah, but I like the heat.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah, but humidity's a bit... Ugh.
That's because you're a lizard. You're a lizard people.
I am the lizard queen. Alright. That's quite pretty. It's giving it like a tortoiseshell effect.
Look at all them cells, man.
Now, what I'm going to do...
That is gorgeous.
Grab my white I stupidly put back.
Oh no, are you okay?
Fair enough. And I'm just going to add a bit here. Just so it's got something to go with.
It's a little flow coat. Got it.
Yeah.
I'm picking up what you're putting down, mate. Don't you worry.
Sometimes it's better just to go, you know what? Just do it. Fill it in a little bit. Because times I've been lazy and gone, it should be right.
Yeah, and it doesn't move quite right.
And you get this wonk that annoys the crap out of me, so...
Yeah. Because it hits a dry spot at the edge and...
Well, what you're seeing, people, is Bubbles learnt from her mistakes in the past.
Yeah. Well, that's a good thing, really.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. Having fun. Oh, that's quite pretty. See all the... Look at the shine in that. That's coming off that gauge green with that powdery blue.
Yeah.
Baby blue.
Baby blue.
Alright.
It reminds me of that little bird you watch on Instagram.
Oggy.
Baby bird.
Oh no, that's
Baby
not
bird.
Oggy. That's oh, I can't even think of the name now. Alright, you know what? I think I'm gonna wreck it now.
Okay.
Because I said I was gonna.
Oh my goodness, don't rig it. It's
No.
so gorgeous. No. Oh. That was a beautiful centre in that too. My goodness.
We're going around the centre there, see? See what I did there?
Yeah, I see what you did there.
Sometimes there's just certain parts you don't want to stick a skewer in it.
I see.
Some parts you got to leave alone. They just look cool as they are.
Fair enough.
And that centre's one of them.
I see.
I'm really digging that. That's pretty.
That is gorgeous.
And you know, I was tossing up whether to
My goodness, my head nearly fell off.
was tossing up whether to go copper
Yeah.
or the gauge green.
Oh, yeah, right.
I'm sort of really happy I went the gauge green.
It is.
Eye candy colour, everyone. Beautiful colour.
It is. It's a
And-
lovely colour.
I love it the most because of what it does to other colours when you put it with it.
Yeah.
A really cool highlight colour. Sort of like what I used to use lemon sorbet
Yeah.
from this little piggy for. It was for the highlights.
Absolutely love that colour, you know.
Yeah.
Sorbet.
It's a beautiful colour. Well, I think that is probably spun out enough, you know, Mr. Lambert.
That is exceptional there, Bubbles.
I think that's alright.
What? Look at it.
See how it changes?
Mate, that's a stunner. Look at that colour.
There's no movement in that either, so... Alright, we'll do a flyover instead of me sticking that glare in your face.
Let's do that.
That's a better option.
That colour shift is crazy good.
And see, that's what I love when you do a ring pour for your colours as a radial. Because it always gives it sort of like that tortoiseshell effect
Yep.
with certain palettes. I think it's pretty cool.
Love it.
Alright, we're going to pause now, Mr. Lambert.
Are we?
Yeah,
You sure?
sure go.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, get off your butt.
Yes, dear.
You did not just go there.
Thank you.
Thanks, Tinker Girl. We are back.
With that we are. Okay.
These are so fun to do.
Cup full of goo.
Yep. Oh, it's alright. I'm going to sit my butt on this chair. Whew. Oh, you went brights. Yeah, what am I thinking? Should have known, right?
Who'd have thunk it? All I'm doing is trying to get it to wiggle out as a a flower pattern.
Oh, that look cool too when you swipe over the top. So that's the thing, that's what's cool about these. You sort of just changing the look of the colours when you swipe them, aren't you?
Yeah.
And because you got them thinner lines of colours, they just... I love the way it looks. It's very cool. It's quite therapeutic too.
It really is.
It makes for a longer art session because you got to do your impulse, then you got to do your radial. So you're really enjoying the moment. And like if you only paint once a week, it's just super cool to mix your techniques up, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's alright, I'm finding colours here that are really cool. I didn't know were here.
Right, fair enough.
You've got this gorgeous Southern Ocean blue here.
How trippy is this?
That's actually, that's a flower.
Wow.
Yeah, it is. It's a carnation. It's got those type of petals. There you go. Abstract carnation. Good job on that.
Thank you.
I notice how quiet you go when you're doing stuff like this.
You know why?
Because you're wiggling and jiggling and concentrating and multitasking just a bitch.
Because I've got my tongue hanging out the side of my mouth going, concentrating.
I'm well aware. That's why I happily sit here and talk to myself.
Did you use that one?
Yep.
The big one?
I always use the big one now.
Okay, that's what she said.
Very rare you see me get the little one out.
Fair enough.
It's just not the same.
Apparently not. Really, Wombat? I know, right? Oh dear.
I'm just shaking up glitter in my paints before I do my next painting.
Right.
You got to give them a stir.
Alright.
Bring them to the surface again.
Fair enough.
You're lovely, Tom. I'm still addicted. You never thought you'd see the day I'd like glitter, did you?
No.
It's very girly. Oh, right around the edges, yeah. Love when it fades out like that on the heart. Oh, look at that top corner. Go, Wombat.
You
gotta wreck it now.
I did.
It breaks your heart sometimes, doesn't it?
Yeah,
But
not really.
them's are the rules.
Them
today.
is the rules.
And you've been really good lately. Like, you've been sort of following them.
I sort of have.
Which is better than not at all.
Oh no, go figure.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I'm being genuinely... I'm not being sarcastic at the moment.
That's because I'm trying to get on Santa's good boy list.
We've already done your shopping.
I know.
So
I don't know what it
you can
is.
give up the act now because you're not going to get any more.
I know what it
We've
is.
done shopping for you.
Oh,
Oh, when aren't you spoiled?
there's a go. Please,
You're a
sir.
brat.
I want some more.
No, you're done, Mr. Brat.
You can never have too many vinyl cutting machines. Just saying.
Oh, really? Can we have 3 now?
1,
4.
2, 4.
You don't need any. Just
Alright.
like the 200 fishing rods around the house. You just keep telling me you just need
So,
one for every fish.
I got to wreck it, do I?
Yes, you do.
Damn. Okay. Well. I finally got a good center, and I've got to wreck it. Look.
Yeah, it's actually...
It's like
No,
stellar.
well, don't use the comb then. Use your skewer so you can avoid your centre. Or do that. Yeah. See, then you can avoid that centre.
These paints are super thin today.
It's the heat. It's, well, you know, they've been cooking in here too. You notice...
No, I
when
don't.
it's that hot,
Yeah.
because we had to go into the shopping centre, right?
Yeah, we did.
And you do notice how many people are actually in the shopping centres just to keep cool, I reckon.
Now, if Bubble sounds like she's a mile away from the microphone, it's because she is.
Oh, well, I passed out. My back's killing me.
I don't want to hear your excuses.
Oh, boo. Don't be mean little man.
I am a mean little man. Oh, that's right. I already know what the Christmas gift is, so I can be a mean little man.
That's what I'm saying. You can give up the act.
I can give up the act.
Yes, you can.
Yep.
Unless you still believe in Santa.
I nearly said something I really shouldn't have then. So
I could tell by the look of your face.
I totally avoided it, so
It's going to be good too, wasn't
I
it?
didn't need to bleep that one. So that's a good one.
You were really going to drop something big then, weren't you?
Oh, mate, let me tell you, it would almost ended up on the blooper channel. That's for
What
sure.
do you mean almost?
Well, I didn't say it, so I refrained. If I'd actually said it, then I would have had to chop it and put it on there, so I won't.
I just like the fact that you won't let me become a member so that I don't get to see what you're actually doing to me in the bloopers. And what people are actually seeing.
It's not the way that works. You know it. I know it.
Fair enough. That's a really beautiful colour. That's like ultramarine blue with a shift violet in it. I'm having a ball down here checking out the new colours, just saying, Wombat.
That's great.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Oh, you've only just noticed what I'm painting. Nice.
Yeah, good job.
Mate, let me tell you.
Well, when I did mine, you went, well, that's a winner. But,
Yeah, but I was actually standing there watching, unlike you.
I can multitask. I'm a demon.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can. Stop being spoiled brat. You've very come across spoiled bratish today.
Because it's so freaking hot in here.
It's the wombat turkey time of year.
It is. Us furry fellas don't really like it, mate. Alright, I'm going to do a flyover of that one while Bubbles takes a nap. Man, that turned out super cool. I really like that one.
Do you want a sauce from milk? A little bit catty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So much nice and taken.
pretty much. It's just not very nice.
No, that is actually gorgeous. Love that orange through the centre.
That's crazy nuts.
I told you it was a good idea. Didn't I?
Yeah.
That's gorgeous. I love that.
Beautiful.
Nice work.
Alright. That is it for us this week.
Absolutely. That was fun.
If you've liked that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as we release it.
Come and have some fun with us.
For sure. Alright guys, have fun. Take care. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thanks for watching. Go get messy.